Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to copy and paste attributes in Capcut. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Capcut, I want you to click the sign up option. From here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Copying and pasting attributes in Capcut for both on Mac and PC can save you time by allowing you to quickly apply the same edits, effects, and settings to multiple clips. Now, for you to be able to do that, I want you to open the Capcut and import your video. But if you want to create a new project and start working from scratch, just click this button. In my case, I have already an existing project and I'm just going to click on it to begin work. Now, first off is edit your first clip. So I have one video at the bottom of my photo wherein I can simply drag they play it from the very beginning. I'm gonna use this split tool, probably around just here, right? I'm gonna split it. You have to select the video, not the photo, right here. Click the split right here. So I'm gonna choose this instead. Probably here. And then the first clip is, we're gonna make sure to increase the size. For example, this right here. And then I'm gonna copy the attributes from it. You see this, Control plus Shift plus C on your keyboard, or Command plus Shift if you're using Mac plus C. Copy attributes. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm gonna create a clip again here. So I have like the second clip where I want to paste the attributes. So I'm gonna right click on it and click the paste attributes. What will happen is, all right, you have the option to location size, blend, canvas, fade in and fade out. You have all of these attributes. Click the copy. All right. So from the very beginning, you see the attributes was pasted. Now, if you go to the library and you choose to import another video, for example, we're going to be choosing this one right here. We add this. We can also do the same thing. Copy, right click on it and click the paste attributes. Click that, and what will happen is the video that was recently imported had the same effect from the one that we have copied. All right, it's basically, that's a very easy thing to do. And again, once you have pasted the attributes, preview your video to ensure that the changes are applied correctly. If indeed, you can still manually tweak the clip, because again, if you click the paste attributes, you can deselect the things that I don't want. For example, location size. I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to blend. I'm not going to canvas. I'm not going to use the fade in. Just return the volume that you wanted. All right. This is particularly useful when working with multiple clips that need the same effect or settings. For example, if you're working on color grading, transitions, and keyframes. Once you're happy with that, just click on the paste button. All right, and across multiple clips without manually recreating the changes every single time. You can simply copy the edited clip's attributes and paste them onto another clip to streamline your editing process. And once you're happy, just click on the export button and save your work. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.